Nagella, and I am VP of Research and Innovation at HCD. And I'm here to talk about the exciting news about our new patent that was just released, that we were just awarded. So it's about mood mapping. And so I'm here to tell you all about it. It's a pretty cool thing that we were working on for quite some time. And it was really around the question of visualization. So, all these like neuro and physiological and psychological tools are really great, but can be very difficult for a lot of our end clients to really sort of grasp and understand, especially when the output is so scientific and so data heavy. Involves a lot of work on cleaning the data, and then the interpretation can be kind of confusing sometimes. And so something we were working on was how to visualize that in a way that not only made a lot more sense to the end clients, but also had a lot of practical and applicable abilities. So by being able to visualize things in a lot more simple way, then it made it a lot more useful for making business decisions. So what is the mood map? Well, it's taking the physiological measures that we most typically use, the biometrics as we tend to call them, the physiological measures of heart rate, skin conductance, and facial EMG. They measure just different components of how we sort of physiologically, emotionally react to stimuli. So you can imagine heart rate is really looking at attention or approach withdrawal, and facial EMG is looking at emotional valence or how positive or negative you're reacting to something, and then GSR or skin conductance is looking at your arousal level, so how excited you are about something. So you can actually turn that into a three-dimensional map to really visualize where your physiological reactions are in a space. And then that way you can actually compare two things. So if one is a little more pleasant and the other one is a little more approachable or maybe more arousing, then you can actually see in a space, visualize how far apart they are, maybe how close they are. And that way you can make a better business decision about, go with this prototype or with that prototype. Or maybe if you're doing a comparison between, say, the emotional reaction to an ad or some sort of concept, and compare that to maybe the product experience. How well do they actually match together for brand harmony? So you can see how it's easier to visualize, and it's also easier to interpret in that way and apply it to real business decisions. Now, it does have actual sort of academic research background to it as well. So we use the theories of emotion using a multidimensional approach to the theory of emotion to really back up why we would do it that way. And so it is really exciting. It is very useful. We did just present it at Pangborn this year, and that was really well accepted, and people were very excited. It did seem to really play into what people are interested in and to figure out what's going on, especially between, like I said, with advertising and with product. Are they meshing together? So we're really excited. Hope you are too. And feel free to check out more information on the website. Thanks.